Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Umesh Gera. I am working as assistant professor in SIRT College, Bhopal in AIML department. Today, I will discuss the very important subject, design and analysis of algorithm. Then topic was the introduction of algorithm. So, the first topic is what is algorithm? Algorithm is a procedure to solve a particular problem. So basically, the formal definition of algorithm is step-by-step procedure to solve a particular algorithm. So you in the PPT you have to check out the flow diagram of algorithm. Whenever we provide the input, that input can be processed by some processor and converted into the output. So that this is the basic definition of the algorithm. And what are the characteristics of algorithm? So there are six characteristics of algorithm. The first one is input. So whenever you solve a particular problem, you have to provide some input. So either input may be zero or more number of input is allowed for a particular algorithm. Output. So whenever you perform to solve a task, so algorithm having at least one output. Without output, you cannot say that this is the algorithm. So at least one output must be generated by the particular algorithm. Then the third characteristic is finiteness. So what is the meaning of finiteness? Whenever you write a solution for a particular problem, that problem can be solved after a finite number of steps, or the steps, sequence of steps must be countable. Otherwise, we cannot say that that problem can be solved in finite time. So this is the very important characteristics of algorithm. The fourth one is language independent. We cannot say that that particular algorithm is solved either in Python or Java. Your algorithm must be independent of language. It can be solved by any programming language. So it is hardware independent. And the fifth one is feasible and effectiveness. So an algorithm must be developed by using very basic and simple and feasible. The meaning of effectiveness is that whenever you write some statement in an algorithm, that is a very simple and meaningful. Other, it cannot be unambiguous. Otherwise, it can be ambiguous. Then we cannot say that this is the effective. So the last one is definiteness. So definite means all the instructions in an algorithm must be unambiguous and precise and easy to interpret or understand. So this is the fundamental characteristic of algorithm. Now, now come to the next topic, analysis of algorithm. So whenever we have a multiple solution of a particular problem, then how we can say that this algorithm is better? So analysis of algorithm is very important aspects to analyze the particular algorithm in terms of some resources. So basically there are so many resources. On the basis of these resources we can test the performance of algorithm, but here we can majorly talk about the two resources. One is time and second is space. So on the basis of time and space, we can analyze the particular algorithm. So what is the time complexity? Time complexity meaning amount of time required to take in a particular algorithm is known as a time complexity. What about the space complexity? Amount of space that is taken by the particular algorithm is known as space complexity. So what are the mathematical tools to analyze the particular algorithm? So on the we have a very popular notation that is called asymptotic notation. On the help of asymptotic notation, you can analyze the algorithm in the three category. Either algorithm categorized into the best case and worst case or average case. So you can categorize the algorithm in terms of up- big upper bound and lower bound and average case. So today I have finished this lecture here, and in the next lecture I will discuss what are the types of asymptotic notations and what are the notations that are used to analyze the particular algorithm. Thank you very much.